Welcome to resort style living right here in Encanterra. Here's the thing, a lot of buyers aren't looking for more house, they're looking for a better lifestyle.
This home is proof that efficient living can still feel luxurious.
The lock and leave lifestyle is becoming very popular these days, and this Evia model is a great example of why.
And of course, it's the lifestyle here at Encanterra that truly sets it apart.
This Evia model offers 2 bedrooms, flexible den space, and a lock and leave setup that makes everyday living simple and stress-free. Outside the home, you're surrounded by one of Arizona's premier resort communities. So if you'd like to know more about this amazing community, Mickey and I are full-time residents and full-time realtors, and we'd love to introduce you to everything that Encanterra has to offer.